Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $100 per day just by listening to music. Now before we begin, I would appreciate it if you can hit the subscribe button below to support my channel, okay? So let's get started. First thing I want you to do is to go to a website or find a website that offers royalty-free stock music. One good example is mixkit.co, another one is freestockmusic.com. So the reason why I want you to do this is I need you to find a website that allows you to download audio files, which we will be using later on. Now, for example, mixkit.co, it allows you to download free background music for videos. No attribution or sign up required. So this is a good deal. Now, while you're here, you can try to play the audio files and see if these files or the music is up to your liking. Okay, if it's good, then you download it. The more you download, the better. All right. So once you already have the music files, then we'll now proceed to the next step. So next step is I'll show you 3 websites that what you have to do is to upload the music files that we have downloaded in this website. For example, we will be uploading the downloaded audio files from here to that website and we'll get paid from it. Okay, now these websites are what we call as file sharing websites. The first website I want you to go to is uploadforever.com. So this website will allow you to make money whenever you upload a file. Now, it's not really necessary to just upload a music file. It's just the music files like the one that I recommended earlier, background music files, they are highly in demand, which can easily be downloaded by people. So if you go to upload-forever.com, this is a file sharing website, and this website will pay you whenever a person downloads the file that you have uploaded. So if you go to Make Money, okay, we'll show you Forever is a site for profit from uploading files. Profits are calculated on each download. Forever pay even per 1,000 download in some areas. Now, here's how it goes. So they have this tier system based on the countries as well. So for tier 1, they pay $7. Tier 2, 4. Tier 3, $4. Tier 4, $3. Now, these are the countries. So if the people that are downloading your files are from these 2 countries, they're considered tier 1. So you'll get the $7. Tier 2 Australia, tier 3, and the rest tier 4, $3. Now, here's the current profit modes from this site. So you pay per download, pay per sale, there's a mix of PPD and PPS, referrals, and also it allows you to sell files. Now, these are the payment methods. So whenever you're trying to withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is only $1, and then you can use any of these payment methods available. So mostly it's PayPal. PayPal is easy. You can also use Bitcoin, but the minimum payout here is $100. In PayPal, it's $1. Payeer, Web Money, Perfect Money, just $1. Okay. So if you go to payment proof, okay, you'll show here that as of current, the payments made were already at $50,000, and more than $280,000 payments were made. So the latest is this one. This is the username. They earned the $1. Okay, all right. So these are just some of the payment proofs. So again, upforever.com. So what you have to do is you sign up, and then from there, just follow the on-screen instructions. Whenever you upload a file, you'll get a link for you to share, and then whenever a person clicks that link and downloads the file attached to it, you can get paid. All right. Second website is file-upload.com. Similar to Upload Forever, this also allows you to make money by uploading files. So if you click Make Money, okay, so what do we offer? Uploading service up to 10 gig. Upload Forever only allows up to 100 megabytes. As far as I can remember, here it's up to 10 gig. Steady servers, downloading and watching service in maximum quality, earn money from your files. So this is the rewards program. File upload pays up to $7 per 1,000 downloads, depends on download or location. So they also have a tier system. Here they call it groups. So for group A, 1 byte up to 2,000 MB, that's $6. Group B is $2, same as group C, $2. Now, you also have an option to get a premium account so that you can increase the free account profits. So $7, $3, and $3. Now, here's their payment modes. So pay per download is 100% of downloads, pay per sale 20% of downloads, and the mix 55% of downloads. You can also sell your files for 80%. Alright, so here's the rules and conditions and the information. Minimum payout that they have is $1. You earn 20% earned money from each of your referral. Okay, and here's the payment method. So PayPal, Perfect Money, Payer, Web Money, so a lot. Alright, so if you have any questions regarding file-upload, you can email their customer service. And then lastly is dailyuploads.net. So this is similar to Upload Forever and File-Upload. So this also is a file sharing website that allows you to make money whenever you upload files and whenever someone downloads that file. So if you click Make Money, here the information that they have. So earnings are added only for complete downloads of any file. So mostly, you can upload ebooks as well, photos, as long as you are the owner of it or you have the ability to share that. Okay, mostly of these file sharing websites, they have this DMCA kind of thing where they check if that is, if that is really from you, or if the file that you have uploaded is royalty free. Okay, so minimum payout here is, in comparison to Upload Forever and File Upload, this has a minimum payout of $25. And there's also a time 10 days after a cash out request. So don't cheat. Payments are made via Skrill, so they kind of have limits. And file size must be at least 1 megabyte in size to get rewarded. Okay, so pay per download is $5 per 1,000 downloads. Now you might think 1,000 downloads is a lot. It's actually very easy to achieve. Referral programs, 10% of lifetime earnings, and then premium account. If you will be creating an account for premium, you'll get $7 per 1,000 downloads, I think. Okay. They also have this grouping system, like the tiering system. So group A is the highest for $5. Okay, this is $5 per 1,000 download. And again, if you will be upgrading to premium, you'll get $7. And these are the groups: Group A, USA and UK; Group B, Group C, the rest of the countries; Group D for $1 per download or per 1,000 downloads. Okay, and here's the rules and the limitations. All right, now you might ask, why does file sharing websites like this pay people? Well, it's actually one of the ways that this website makes money as well. So the way these websites make money is that since you are sharing the link for other people to download, these people will be routing back to their website. And most of the time, before they are allowed to download that file, they might have to be shown, or they might have to finish an ad. And you get what I mean. And in turn, these websites are getting paid by the advertisers to have their ads published, or to have their ads played. Okay, so that's how it works. And based on that profits that they're getting from the advertisers, you get a share, because you're actually contributing to the files that you are uploading on this file sharing websites. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.